behind the presidential candidacy of Roberto Gibolchadoro Jr. and its commitment to intensify its nationwide campaign to give him victory in the May national election. And this also covers the vice presidential candidate and our Edu Manzano, our sixth senatorial candidate, Belio, Jacob, Nino, Lapis, and Revilla. He is quite low, but what you hear here is the unity of the custom CMD to support fully the candidacy of our presidential candidate, allied officers, candidates. We would also like to inform you that we have new officers in the organization. Senior Vice President for External Affairs is Secretary Arthur Yap. Senior Deputy Secretary is Secretary Agnes Ibanadera. Our Treasurer is Danilo Suarez, Congressman Danilo Suarez. VP for Visayas is Congressman Roger Mercado. Our Executive Director, Institute for Education and Training is Asset Serafin Benaldo. And Regional Chairman for Region 1, Representative Victor Francisco Ortega. Region 4B, Representative Rodolfo Valencia. And Region 11, Representative Anton Lagdamena.